Jingdezhen, a small city in the mountains of China's Jiangxi province, has long been associated with the creation of quality ceramics. It's often called the porcelain capital for its important role in the domestic and international ceramic industry, with a history of ceramic craftsmanship spanning over 2,000 years. In ancient times, Jingdezhen witnessed numerous batches of exquisite porcelain being exported to other countries via the Silk Road. Today, the Belt and Road Initiative has injected new vitality into the city. Ceramic products from Jingdezhen are now exported to more than 30 BRI partner countries, and the city itself has attracted a large number of foreign artists and enthusiasts to pursue their dreams.
我小的时候跟家人一起去那个博物馆，我的爸爸那边第一次介绍了那个陶瓷的事。我差不多第一次是2014到2015年中间来Jingdezhen的，然后呢，我想在这里理解一下Jingdezhen的陶瓷。差不多1年过去了以后，在Jingdezhen我们遇到了一个单子“一带一路”。它给我们很多好多机会，然后我们订单这样子越来越比较多了。
我本科的时候感兴趣这个Jingdezhen的泥巴、Jingdezhen的泥材。最初到Jingdezhen的时候，我这个得到了中国政府奖学金，这个奖学金挺好的。最初开始工作室的时候，很多帮助我。
It feels so comfortable here, so relaxed, and have so much Chinese friends, even foreigner friends, and we are so happy together. And I want to stay here. I think many years because here techniques and places and studios and artists is so good. That's why I'm thinking about PhD education here.